Hey everyone, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to discuss my 2-year anniversary as a kind of a jewelry creator and give an update of what I've been doing the past few weeks since my last video. So back in July 2019 is when I first started creating jewelry, and this is kind of where I am now. Of course, I'm a YouTuber. I have videos up on different tutorials of things I've created, and I also have an Etsy shop, and this is what I have been up to. I've been trying to hone my craft, and they call it niching down, just picking one area of concentration. So in the early days of my I guess my journey, I had lots and lots of different things in the shop. I don't know, bracelets, necklaces, just different things. As I learned how to make them, I would put them in the shop. There's nothing wrong with that. That's how I began. But I guess I kind of also began to study what other people do in order to be successful in their shop. And so I have been watching different people trying to learn basically about Etsy a little bit more. So I've done a few more sales, and I'm very proud of that. And like I was saying about niching down, what I chose for my main focus is hoops. Anyone that has been watching me for a bit, or anybody new, you can learn this about me. I love hoop earrings. And so at the beginning up there, and even some here, you see lots and lots of hoops. And so these were things I made by hand, some of them by memory wire, and then I've also learned how to buy the wires already pre-made, such as those there that are really colorful. And then I just added the seed beads. I think I mentioned in my last video how I was into seed beads, and so now you see how come. My most recent, these are kind of older posts there in the shop, older things I've made. But the most recent things have been full of seed beads. That pair there, I think I probably made something like that on the channel before, just by hand, out of 20 gauge wire or perhaps 18 gauge wire. And then those look like jasper beads. I really do still love making them by hand. And then I wanted to also make some that might be more, that might be better to sell. So the pre-made wires, and then I just added the beads. Those those wooden beads right there seem to be kind of a trend. People like those. That probably is my best seller. The ones there, the natural colored wooden ones there on the right. And so I've had people also buy the colorful ones, and I just kind of wanted to give an update. I'm having a ball. I'm just really trying to learn, and just to see, if I can make something of this business I've got. I definitely am doing better than I was 2 years ago, so I have improved. But anyway, that's what I've been up to. And so I just wanted to come and let everybody know that. And I have to come again this week with another video. I have to get back on the ball with my tutorials of other types of things. But I've been in Hoop World for the past few weeks since my previous video. And I have been truly, truly enjoying it. I still love to do jewelry. I'm trying to see this not only as a hobby, though, and have a mindset of this could be a real business for me. So that is what I've got for today, and I'm just kind of showing and going over different things from the Etsy shop. And I want to thank everybody for stopping by. And I'd also like to thank you for watching, and I hope that you watch me this week when I have my next video up. I don't know quite what I'll make yet. I'm thinking a bracelet, but I hope you'll join me then, and I hope you have enjoyed my update. And until next time, have a great week, everybody. Bye-bye.